Okay, welcome to online education. This is T. Narahari, lecturer in mathematics, GDC, Mahbubabad. Today, I am going to explain. Today, I am going to explain partial derivatives. Under this, we see some solvation of problems. This is the today topic. Partial derivatives. Already you know in intermediate level. What is the partial derivatives? You see, this is the case. See, partial derivative means you listen. No, derivative is two types. Already you know in previous class also. One is ordinary derivative. Second is partial derivation. Partial derivative. What is the difference between here? Only independent variable, only one. Here involve only one independent variable. Here not only two or more independent variables are involved in the partial derivatives. It is the partial derivative. Partial derivation you see here today now. Function is two variable function. Already you know in previously one of the class. F of xy is two variable function f of xy. Here x is variable, y is variable. It involves two variable. This is function in two variable function. This two variable function you take partial derivation with respect of x and respect of y. This is a partial derivative. See here, with respect of x you write dou f by dou x. This is simply you write f of x. And with respect of y you write dou f by dou y is equal to f of y. This is simply you write f of y. F of x, f of y. A function involves two variables. One is dou f by dou x, other is dou f by dou y. Here, z is a function in x, h is a, capital F is a function in x, y, z. Three variables are there. You find here dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y, dou f by dou z. These three. Here in denominator terms is x is y is z is called what about say independent variables. Independent, how many independent variables are there? X, y, z, two or more. Here two is there, but two or more independent. When you are involved two or more independent variables, then it is called partial derivation. Ordinary derivation only involved one independent variable, that is ordinary derivation. Partial derivation. Now see here f is xyz function, f of dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y, dou f by dou z. Here higher orders also you can define dou square f by dou x square, dou square f by dou y square, again dou square f by dou z square. This also be there. This higher order, second order, and third order, fourth order, nth order also be defined. Here, what about see? Dou square f by dou x dou y means you know in intermediate level. Dou f by dou y, first to take partial derivation, after you see the dou by dou x partial derivation with respect of x. This is called dou square f by dou x dou y. You see dou by dou y of dou f by dou x, you write what about see dou square f by dou x dou y dou x. First to take partial derivation with respect of x, after in that answer you take partial derivation with respect of y. This is the partial derivatives of the case. Already you know in intermediate level it is very simple problems. You know in learn already very well these properties and all are properties, all ordinary calculation derivative properties all also be used applicable. See this is the case. You see some problems under this. These problems are very important. Already two problems seen in previous class. Now today one of the problem you see, this type of problems giving under what about see 5 marks or also be 15 marks or 7 8 marks. Please reason. See, this is the problems you see. Now today one of the problem you see this, u is equal to is one of the problem solvation. How to solve this problem? V is equal to u is equal to log of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Then we show that dou by dou x, see, dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z whole square is into u is equal to c. What about c? Minus 9 by x plus y plus z whole square. This is the problem. It is important problem. Listen. Here given u is equal to, you find this answer. And given you take partial derivation with respect of x, respect of y, respect of z. That partial derivations, sum of the partial derivations of square of the sum of the partial derivations. Answer is this, minus 9 by x plus y plus z whole square. How to see process of the problem? You see some steps. First is given, what is that? U is equal to log of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is the problem. Now first both side taking partial derivative with respect to x. That is called dou f by dou x. You here see. Sorry, dou u. Function is given under u. Dou u by dou x. Here dou u by dou x is equal to, here see log x. Here there. It is totally denoted by x in bracket term. You see what? Log x. Log x derivation is 1 by x. Log x derivation is 1 by x. Log x derivation is 1 by x. You know that clearly. And capital X is equal to u this total. Now dou u by dou x is equal to 1 by total, you write x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Again dou by dou x of same term, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. It is chain rule of this derivation. Now dou u by dou x is equal to, see, 1 by x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is derivation of partial derivation. Partial derivation with respect of x. Where is x? In place you take derivation. Otherwise treated by 0, put 0. ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే ఎక్స్ దృష్ట్యా చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఎక్స్ ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉందో అక్కడ మాత్రమే డెరివేషన్ చేయాలి. రిమైనింగ్ టర్మ్స్ ఆల్ ట్రీటెడ్ బై ఏ కాన్స్టెంట్. డెరివేషన్ ఆఫ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ 0. దట్ ఈస్ ద కండిషన్. ఆల్రెడీ యూ నో దిస్ కేస్. నౌ హియర్ ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్, ఎక్స్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ వేరియబుల్. X variable you take partial derivation with respect of x. That is 3x square. It is derivation of x cube. Now y cube, no x term, that is 0. Z cube, no x term, that is 0. Minus 3xyz. Here x is there. X derivation is 1. You write minus 3yz. Minus 3yz. This is the case. Dou u by dou x is equal to RUX. Let you take shortly, you write this. U is a derivation with respect of x. Derivation means partial derivation. Now see, ux is equal to, what to write, see here, 3x square minus 3yz by, you write this, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Similarly, same you take in u with respect of y, in z, in u with respect of z. See, u is equal to log of equation, right? 1, no doubt at all. 1, let's see. Log of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is both sides taking partial derivative with respect to y. Now see, sir, dou u by dou u by dou y, that is uy, you read like that. Same, 1 by log x is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Here dou by dou y of terms x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Now see, uy, or that is dou u by dou y is equal to, what do you write? See here, sir, it is respect y. Y, where is y? You take the derivation. The x cube, no y, that is 0. Y cube, that is 3y square. Minus, here x derivation, y derivation is 1. Meter terms is come, that is 3 xz. By you write this, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is second. See first equation, second equation. With respect of z, simply you write the direct answer also. 192 after 192. What is third case? You see, u is equal to is given. What about c? Log of what about c? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. That is dou u by dou z, partial derivative, taking both side partial derivation. 1 by x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz into dou by dou z of the term same, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Now dou u by dou z is equal to, what do you write here? It is 0, it is 0. Now take the derivation in z cube, because it is partial derivation with respect of z. Where is z? You take the derivation in case of that. See, what about c? Z cube means 3z square minus x derivation. But z derivation is 1 here, because with respect of z. What is that? See, 3xy by x cube 3xyz. This is that. Now what are case of this? These three, adding dou by dou x, dou by dou y cube. See this. What is that the case of this? Dou u by dou z. Now you see, take them. What are showing here problem in the given problem? What are condition? This is show dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z of u. You see here. What that answer you see? Dou u by dou x. See. First, dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to until 1 plus 2 plus 3. You know that in above terms. What do you write? See, sir, 3x square minus, first minus 3yz by same term, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz plus here second equation. What about second? This 3y square minus 3xz, 3y square minus 3y square minus 3xz by same numerator, denominator, sorry, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz plus this 3z square minus 3xy by same denominator. Now what about see, dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to, what is the answer of this? 3x square. Cool. Now add these three. Now denominators are same, denominators are same, adding numerator, end of the case. 3x square plus 3y square plus 3z square and this minus 3yz minus 3xz minus 3xy by x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. See, dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to, here 3 common. You write, see, 3 is common. Now what to write? See, x square plus y square plus z square minus yz minus xz minus xy by this x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz minus 3xyz. That is the case. Now see. Now what is the answer of this? See. Now this is the case of this. See, dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to, now this you write, see, 3 into x square plus y square plus z square minus yz minus xz minus xy by, you write this, x square plus y square plus z square minus yz minus xz minus, what is that, see, minus xz minus minus xy minus xy into, write this, x plus y plus z. This is a product of these two. You multiply these two, get this. It is important. Now, dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to, this is cancelled, 3 by x plus y plus z. This is the case. Now what is that? See, it is dou u by dou x plus dou. Then whole square cheste manaki em this 3 into what about see here? Now what this? Now see, it is the case of this. Now this is 3 into x plus y plus z. Now see, this is totally what about, see, dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z of whole square into u is equal to, you write this, no doubt at all, dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z of this, you write, dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z. This answer is already, you know that, you substitute that, dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z of this answer. What about answer? 3 by x plus y plus z. 3 by x plus y plus z. You see, dou by dou x of, you write then danki, x plus y plus z plus dou by dou y of 3 by x plus y plus z plus dou by dou z of 3 by x plus y plus z minus 1 by x. Minus 1 by x means minus 1 by x plus y plus z. 3 you write common. See that? Okay, this is right common 3. What is the case of this? 3 minus is same, minus 1 by minus only x plus y plus z minus 1 by x plus y plus z. What about C? Minus 3. Totally what is that? C, 3 is common. This is C, minus minus minus. Now what about C? X plus y plus z whole square, right? C. Because 1 by x derivation is minus 1 by x square. Totally what is that? C, 3 by. Now square is 3, 3, 3. Now what is that? C, dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z of whole square is equal to 3. Whole square into u, that is 9 by x plus y plus z whole square. This is the minus 9 by. This is the answer of that case. This is, it is very important problem under given 7 marks, 15 marks ఉంటుంది లాంగ్ టర్మ్ లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్ మనకి న్యూ సిలబస్ ప్రకారం. According to new syllabus is given under 15 marks problem. That is under 15 marks problem is split A and B given under 2 cases. A is taking 7.5, B is taking 7.5, or 8 or 7. Anyhow, this is the problem. Or C. This is very important problem. And C. Next another problem. C. This also be one of the problem. C. If u is equal to 3 into lx plus my plus nz whole square minus x square plus y square plus z square. Here given condition l square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. This is the condition. Now what you write? See, show that ఏం చూపించమంటున్నాడు. Now the problem, show that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square is equal to 0. Now that is the problem. See, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square is equal to 0. That is okay. First you given u here, write u is equal to, how to write u is equal to, you see first the problem is given u is equal to is given 3 into lx plus my plus nz whole square minus x square plus y square plus z square. That is the given u. Now dou square u by dou x square. Second time derivation with respect of x in the given u. Right, see what is the case, you see. Both side taking partial derivation with respect to x. Now front side dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x means you write this is power 6. 3 into 2. 6 into lx plus my plus nz. Again you take inside bracket. This is called chain rule. Lx means x derivation 1 you write here into y0 z0 because partial derivation with respect of x here. With respect of x means y is treated by a constant, derivation 0, z is treated by a constant, derivation 0. Here come to go outside. Here n minus, you write x square, you take 2x derivation. It is 0, it is 0. Similarly, no x terms. Now dou u by dou x is equal to, what about dou u by dou x is equal to, dou u by dou x is equal to 6l lx plus my 6l now 6 into lx plus my plus nz into l minus 2x. Again partial derivation with respect to x because dou square dou by dou x of dou u by dou x already above you see dou square u by dou x square. Again take 6. Again means there is no 6 into, you take the derivation only l. Here x it is y0 z0. Here l is there into l. It is coefficient same like that 6. ఇది 0 కాదండి, అర్థం చేసుకో. ఇది కాన్స్టెంట్, ఇది కాన్స్టెంట్. 6l వస్తుంది మనకు. హియర్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఎక్స్ డెరివేషన్ 1. సో అది కాన్స్టెంటే కదా, 0 రాయండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ కోఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ లైక్ దట్ 6 ఇంటూ ఎల్. ఇది 2 అయితే 12 అయ్యేది, ఇది 3 అయితే 18 అవుతుంది అట్లా. దట్ ఈస్ ద కేస్. సి ఎల్ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎంవై ప్లస్ ఎన్జెడ్ 6 ఇంటూ ఎల్ మైనస్ 2x. దిస్ ఈస్ 2 ఆన్సర్. వాట్ ఎవర్ డో స్క్వేర్ యూ బై డో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 6l square minus 2. This is answer. Similarly, you see answers ఇంత ముందు కూడా మనం అలానే చేసాం, ఇప్పుడు కూడా అలా చేస్తే u ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 ఇంటూ ఎల్ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎంవై ప్లస్ ఎన్జెడ్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ జెడ్ స్క్వేర్. ఇది మనకు ఉండేటువంటి టర్మినాలజీ. u ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద కేస్ ఆఫ్ see, this is the case of u lx plus my plus nz whole square. మళ్ళా both side taking partial derivation with respect to y చేయాలి. y చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది, డో u by డో y. ఇది మళ్ళీ సేమ్ 2 into 3 6. you write lx plus my plus nz into write m మైనస్ ఇక్కడ 2y వస్తుంది. సిమిలర్లీ వాట్ అబౌట్ సి డో యూ బై డో వై ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆన్సర్. డో యూ బై డో వై ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాట్ అబౌట్ ఆన్సర్ 6m. ఇట్లా రాయి 6m ఇంటూ ఎల్ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎంవై ప్లస్ ఎన్జెడ్ మైనస్ 2y. నౌ టేక్ బోత్ సైడ్ పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు y. డో స్క్వేర్ యూ బై డో వై స్క్వేర్. నౌ 6m ఓన్లీ యూ రైట్ హియర్ m minus 2y 2. Dou square u by dou y square is equal to 6m square minus 2. Again similarly same, I will not write that. Dou u by dou z square is equal to 6n square minus 2 up to 2 3. Now what to see, dou a square 3 వచ్చాయి terms. This is found, this is found, this is found. Add up these two. What about see it is result what is see, it is result 1, it is result 2, it is result 3. Now see what about 1 plus 2 plus 3, you see that enough the case. What is the answer? That 1 plus 2 plus 3, you write that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square is equal to 6l square minus 2. Yes. Now next 6l square minus 2 plus 6m square minus 2 plus 6n square minus 2. Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square dou square u by dou z square is equal to 6 is common, l square plus m square plus n square. ఇక్కడ minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, answer is minus 6. What about C? Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square is equal to 6 into, what is this? In the problem is given l square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1, is given 1. That is the condition. You write in bracket into 1 minus 6. What about 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square dou square u by dou z square is equal to answer, that is the 0. This is the problem. This is a important problem, is one of the other problems in this, right? Right. This also be one of the problem, is given one time this problem. See this. Now what about see here? U is equal to, is given one of the problem. Listen, see. Here problem u is equal to log of tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Prove that. Sin 2x. This problem is important. Dou u by dou x sin 2y dou u by dou y sin 2z into dou u by dou z is equal to answer 2. Let's see the answer is 2. That answer is 2. Okay. First to find derivative parts, this from the given function. What is u is equal to log of tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Now see, what about see first partial derivation with respect to x. Now dou u by dou x is equal to log x, same just previous problem, log of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Similarly here also be same, 1 by tan x plus tan y, right, plus tan z. Now again take tan x derivation, d by dou x of term. What about see tan x plus tan y, the chain rule antam దీన్ని, tan z. Now dou u by dou x is equal tan x అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకు, tan x derivation sec square x. ఇది చెయ్యం, కాన్స్టెంట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇది చెయ్యం ఎందుకంటే బికాజ్ నో టర్మ్ x, నో టర్మ్ y. sec square x by right tan x plus tan y plus tan z. It is our case. Now dou u by dou x is equal to sec square x tan x plus tan y plus tan z. ఇది మనకు ఉండేటువంటి టర్మినాలజీ, రైట్. సి sec square x by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. sec square x by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. It is. Now see, what is that? See, now here given, what about see, sin 2x is given. This coefficient multiplied by sin 2x. This derivation, partial derivative coefficient is multiplied by sin 2y. This partial derivative is multiplied by 2z. Here only you found dou u by dou x. Now both side is multiplied sin 2x. Here you write what about see, sin 2x into sin 2x into what to write, see, dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x, dou u by dou x is equal to, right, sin 2x. Dou u by dou x is this. You write this, sec square x by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Sin 2x formula in intermediate level 2 sin x cos x into sec square x by what is that? See, tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Now see 2 sin x cos x sec square x. Now see sec square x, what is the sec square x? 2 sin x into cos x sec square x 1 by cos square x sec square x form by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. This is it. Cos 1 cos is cut. Now what about 2 sin x by cos x in above numerator. Now below denominator as it is tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Now see sin x by cos x, what you represent? Tan x. Represent is tan x. Now write 2 tan x by 2 tan x by what is tan x plus tan y plus tan z. This is what about see sin 2x into dou u by dou x is equal to 2 tan x by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Now next, similarly same you find dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y means in the case of in the given u is equal to log tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Here 1 by what about see tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Again dou by dou y of tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Y is there here. Y means what about see derivation in tan y. Tan y means sec square y. You write dou u by dou y is equal to sec square y by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Sec square y by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Now here given this is multiplied by sin 2y. Again both side multiplied by sin 2y. Sin 2y into dou u by dou y is equal to sin 2y into sec square y by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Mala same petition here. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin x cos x. Here sin 2y is equal to 2 sin y cos y. Sec square y. Similarly, this answer is represent tan x in above, right? This answer is represent what about see tan y. What is totally sin 2y dou u by dou y. To write see this is answer is 1. Tan what about tan 2y? Sin 2 sorry sin 2y dou u by dou y is equal to this represent tan y 2 tan y 2 tan y by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. This is second equation. Similarly you find రెండు చేసినాక ఇంకా మూడోది మళ్ళీ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. sin 2z dou u by dou z is equal to same answer 2 tan z by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. This is third. See 1 plus 2 plus 3 answer. 1 plus 2 plus 3 whatever answer. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to answer is sin 2x dou u by dou x sin 2y dou u by dou z dou u by dou y plus sin 2z dou u by dou z is equal to what to write see in three types answers. Right side answer. What does that see? 2 tan x by tan x plus tan y plus tan z plus 2 tan y by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. 2 tan z by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. To write what about sir? 2 tan x by tan x plus tan y plus tan z plus 2 tan y by tan x plus tan y plus tan z plus 2 tan z by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. These answers. Right. Sin 2x dou u by dou x sin 2y dou u by dou y Sin 2z dou u by dou z is equal to answer. Denominators all also be same. You add numerators. 2 tan x, 2 tan y, 2 tan z by tan x plus tan y tan z. 2 common. 2 tan x plus tan y plus tan z by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Bracket cut అయిపోతుంది. It is answer is 2. This is the result. You see is equal to 2. That is the answer of this. Right? Next you see this problem also be same. You find this important problem will also be there. This is partial derivation of this type of problems solved in the way of partial derivations. All partial derivations formulas you what about say you by using the calculation derivative principles by using here find the one by one result. You know already how to find this C, right? Thank you, my dear students. Today class is stop. Again you see tomorrow some other problems, important problems.